Hello, another Monday. Let's jump into our new review for the week. So very quick, I suppose not really changes significantly for the market. The stock market, as you can check, it's like pretty much similar case compared with last week, still supporting, standing at a very strong bull scenario. And for the U.S. currency, like the price dropped to the area where we can actually check whether there could be a reversion, mean reversion to some area in the middle of the range, like whether we can see if it is like a potential swing failure. If that's the case, then the price should go up, right? If this is the case, normally it's like because if you check about the 2 years consolidation area, it's like this is like a very long period, almost 2 years. So it's not very easy to actually break it down to the range low, I would assume. So a very logical assumption is that the currency should go strong again, right? Getting back up, right? It keep dropping, all of a sudden it keep dropping. So very likely there should be like a reversion of the currency forex market, which definitely has a strong negative influence for the crypto market, I suppose. So yeah, very quick reviewing these two, and we chat about like our trade last week, fairly good. So anyway, we entered 3 trades, right? All in spot daily time frames, and all in profit. So in the Bitcoin trade, we jumped into it last Thursday. It's like currently it's like 2R. Planning to close it because like it's standing at some area. It's not going really high. Potential rejection can happen, right? So that would be in our scenario, like our previous week, last week's projection is like going up, right? This is okay. All according to our projection gameplay scenario, going up. And we can TP for 2R, right? TP for 2R, and the current area is like standing at this area, right? So we can logically got some TPs, okay, and we can assume that some short-term rejection can be happening, and then we can see whether there's a continuation of momentum targeting to the liquidity upside, and we can see. But I don't know really about it, whether it's like there's enough fuel for the market to go much higher, because it is still like currently it's like not many real money flow entering this market until like there could be like a scenario that interest rate cut, US interest rate cut for next month, and that would be a trigger point for some momentum play, possibly some short squeeze, and but that would be like 1 month away until you could argue that whether some guys, some big guys, they want to front run everyone and then got pricing when the interest rate cut is happening, then it is another short news event. But it's still a bit far away, right? The momentum is not supporting at this moment, so rather like got a TP here. I will execute it after this video. So basically, it's like 2R very okay for a daily time frame, and also some scalping. Gameplay, nothing really much change, and we expect some retrace back. Probably not won't be doing much at this moment. So we can see like there's here at this part there's order block, daily order block. So maybe got support here or some low area. If it is in this case, then that would be a different scenario. That would be like a deviation back to this range, and then we can target the range low. But given that the momentum is really strong, right? Having Friday is okay. The likelihood of like retracing all the way back is not that high, right? So the conviction right now definitely is higher for long momentum trade, right? Long momentum continuation trade. The target is not fulfilled yet. The 76K target can target it here. There's a lot of liquidity here. This is also a point of interest, right? So yeah, nothing much. Okay, this is the Bitcoin review. So again, wait for the money range form and then see how the price may look like, right? Nothing really much. And for Ethereum, I think going quite well. It's also like I don't plan to cut this trade because like there's a very large gap upside. So definitely if it's gonna boost up, it can boost up very quick. Right now it's like standing like 2.3R, I think. The upside potential is high, and the win to the win. The R ratio is quite ideal, and also got a daily time frame break structure coming high. So the momentum looks absolutely stronger compared with Bitcoin. So still riding it. There could be like some, I think some retracement, but that'll be a retracement for the continuation of trade. So very okay for Ethereum. That could be like riding up for some couple of weeks long scenario, and this is absolutely also beneficial for an altcoin. But as I discussed in previous sections, previous review, this area is like a point of interest where we can expect a exhaustion for the price, and because previously has broken down the 200 EMA line, and it have shifted the momentum. It's not a bull market anymore. So at this area, we can still like be a bit cautious about whether it can drop to that like lower side, and that'll be like a bear scenario. It definitely can happen. But as for short term, right, daily time for short term, it's very okay right now. So yeah. And as for the current market environment, absolutely compared with last week, it's not a fearful market anymore. It's like slightly grateful market right now, and everyone's turning into a bull now. So it's good for the momentum, but we can keep monitoring. So for this part, probably this week is a good week for the long. Okay, for Solana, also this R is higher, absolutely higher, like 3.6 R. I still intend to hold it for quite a while, because like for the assumption that Ethereum is going well, altcoin going well, why not Solana, right? Solana should break up this triangle, the entire triangle, and then find some resistance. But that will be like the end of the week case, or probably next week case. But as for right now, I think this week pretty okay, right? Secure 2 to 3 R. So in summary, last week trade, we got all success on everything. Bitcoin 2R, Ethereum 2.5, Solana 2.6. That'll be like 7 to 8 R for a week. That's very okay, very okay. So later on, we will do a lot of scalping to make the R much higher. So that concludes the summary. Nothing really much. It's like a very good week. Expect Bitcoin to have some retracement, and then find some support in some area, unless it is like a full retracement, which I don't expect. The likelihood will be high. And Ethereum, Solana, and altcoin market should go well. Because upside target it has not been reached, so the September months, at the start of the September months, could be quite okay. But always be cautious. Risk control is the key. Okay, that concludes everything. See you guys for the next time's review. Okay, bye bye.